The afternoon session, which I've called Awesome Quilting for 56 cents a day, and you're going like, yeah, right, okay. So yes, this is a class on the gold features, and all the time I hear, I only quilt for myself. I'm not a professional, so I really don't need gold. And my take on that is, and what I say is, even though you're only quilting for yourself, you really want to do the very best that you can. I mean, we all want our quilts to be a reflection of us, and the quality that we want to see in the quilts is, all of us want to see that quality there. So whether you're a professional or you're not a professional, gold is for everyone. The features that are found in gold are very easy to use. They're user friendly, and they can add on to all of the other features that we have in QuiltMagine. There's some features that are standalone features, and there's features that are enhancements to functions that we already have in QuiltMagine. And they just make our quilting go from, what it is to over the top. So gold features like borders and corners. This makes designing borders a snap. You can design a border and be quilting it in less than 3 minutes. And there's no other way that you can do it that quickly. Another thing, you can place and stitch multiple blocks at the same time. So rather than placing one and stitching, placing another one and stitching, you can place several and then go quilt them all at the same time. And then there's an enhancement to that which we call point to point, which is an absolutely awesome feature for doing custom quilting and making it go quickly. So my look at all of this and the features in gold is, why settle for less? It only costs you 56 cents a day. And, I look at this, those designer coffees that you can go buy, skip one a week, okay? Put the money in a cookie jar and save it and go with gold. So this is one of the samples that we'll be looking at. And this particular area right here is where we use point to point. And there's some other custom techniques that are also in this. The other quilt that I showed before with the deck of cards on it has several of the gold techniques and features that were used in that. And I'll tell you, I would not be able to live without the gold features, because I want to go beyond what is available in the program. And it only costs me $200 a year to enable those features to do that. And I think it's a real bargain to be able to do that. And I love being able to do that kind of customizing on my quilts for very little effort, because honestly, these things work so smooth. They're just easy to use.
Thanks, Joyce, for sharing that with us. And we will have QuiltMagine gold cards available that day as well, if you would like to purchase one.